Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be in partner with Walmart, and I'm going to show you guys some products that I purchased recently. So I went to Walmart and I grabbed a few items that I wasn't even aware were in stores, and we're gonna just do also a makeup tutorial because I did pick up some makeup as well. So today is going to be a collab with Walmart and show you guys some national brands that are actually already in stores at Walmart. But I'm quite excited to go on with this video. So everything will be linked down in the description box. So these are the products, makeup products that I did pick up recently from Walmart. All of them are actually from e.l.f. e.l.f. is one of those brands that you can find in Walmart and that is super affordable. I do own some e.l.f. products already. For example, I do have this small little palette called Truffles, and this one's also one of my favorite products, one of my favorite e.l.f. shadows. Their shadows are actually not bad. They're really good eyeshadows. They're pretty pigmented. I have already prepped my face for this tutorial. It's called the Bronzing Drops, and it is in the shade Bronze 1. I'm not sure if this is even the right shade for me. I just picked it up. Honestly, I wasn't even like really sure if this is the right shade. Hopefully it is. I use this product if you want to kind of achieve a little bronzing effect to your face or even to your body. I'm gonna actually use it for my face just to show you guys, because I do want to go in with foundation, but I do want to also show you guys how you can just achieve a more natural sun-kissed bronzy look. You don't have to put this all over your face. You can just literally put it almost like a contour to your face. This is in the shade 1. I think that's what it's called. It's called Rose Gold, and this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? So it is a tad bit darker than my skin tone. It's actually almost close to my skin tone, so I probably could have gone with the shade 2, but let's go and try it out. So I'm just gonna put it in like my cheeks here just to kind of give me a little bit of like a bronzy look. So you can definitely go with your fingers, or you can go with, you know, like a brush. So I probably, like I said, I probably could have gone a little bit darker with this bronzer, but it does give you a nice subtle glow. It's not too heavy. Again, if you are more like a lighter, if you have more like a lighter skin tone, then maybe. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can see it does give you a nice almost like shimmery glow to your skin, like a bronzing effect. Now if you have acne or acne prone skin, I'm not sure if this might emphasize your acne because it's like a shiny sheen to it. So the next thing that I did pick up is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. This one is in the shade medium, warm, or number 30. I usually like apply it directly to my face. So we're gonna put a little bit there. Going with a brush now. Okay, this shade is definitely my match, and I'm super happy that I picked up this shade. And you know what, also it is super lightweight as well. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It is the perfect shade right now for me, so I'm so happy about it. And if you are looking for a foundation that's buildable, lightweight, especially for the summer weather, I think, especially for the hot weather, blended very well to my skin. To tell you the truth, it is super pretty. I don't know if it's maybe due to the bronzing drops underneath the foundation that it's kind of giving me a nice subtle glow as well, but I do like it. Like for an everyday foundation, I think it's super pretty and it is a perfect match. But now we're gonna go in with a concealer. This one is actually from e.l.f. as well. I didn't buy it from Walmart, but I'm sure you can also find it at Walmart. It is called the Hydrating Camel Concealer Satin Finish in e.l.f. and it is in the shade Light Beige. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on underneath my eyes for that. And we're going to, actually, I'm going to use a brush. It is definitely a very hydrating concealer for underneath your eyes. But if you're looking for a concealer that's like super full coverage, this is definitely not going to give you that. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to actually go in with my eyeshadow now, and then we're going to do the rest of the face once I finish. So I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to go in a little bit with the brown, and I'm going to just take this brush right here, and I am going to just take it in right at the crease here and also here and blend it. This is just going to give you a little bit of like more like a smokier, deeper color effect. Now, I do also like to wear eyeliner, but sometimes I like to just use an eyeshadow for my eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with an angled brush and just add a little bit of a wing at the corner. I do just take the eyeshadow just a little bit at the corner and then wing it. I don't bring it all the way in. You can do that if you want to, but I prefer it that way. If the color is not intense enough for you, you could always also apply a little bit of like a spray to the shadow to give you more of like that wet effect. I used to do that so much, but I feel like you don't even really need that for this shadow. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the brown and just deepen it a little bit, just a little bit more. Is the shadow. I am gonna add some lashes just so that way it kind of completes the eye look. The lashes are on. We're good. The one thing I really love about these, that this can actually fit in your purse. It's super easy. It'll fit in your purse, and I just love that. Like, you can literally do a whole eye look with this palette, and I appreciate that a lot. All right, so now we're gonna move on to lip products. So I did buy some lippies from e.l.f. that I wanted to show you guys. So this one is by e.l.f. It's called the Cream Glide Lip Liner, and it's literally almost like a pinky taupey nude. So let's try it out. It has a really nice point to it. You can definitely sharpen this. It's like a crayon, and I'm sure it's gonna work out really well. Can you guys tell? It's a really pretty color. I just want to show you guys how pretty this color is. Now you can wear it all over your lip like this. So I really do like it. It's really pretty. It glides on really nicely. It's creamy. It is really a nice shade. Now I would prefer maybe to be a little bit darker, but for the color, I think it's super pretty. I love it. Literally, my dog tortured this. I like dispose of it because I love lip oils. I'm obsessed with lip oils. But this one was one that I really loved. So I'm still holding on to it for dear life. It's like literally chewed up, and I'm so sad about it, but I'm gonna keep it. Is that bad? Lip oils can be super expensive, especially this brand, so I just didn't want to like throw it away and waste my money. So when I saw e.l.f. have a lip oil at their stores, I was totally like, okay, let me try this. This one is called Honey Talks, and it's infused with apricot oil. This is what it looks like. So I'm curious. I am curious. You know what? Let me just show you guys how close this is. Aren't they like super close? This seems to be a little bit more sheer, but they're so close to each other. Yeah, this one's actually a lot more sheer. You can see a little bit more sheer. The e.l.f. one has a lot more pigment, which I'm actually quite happy about. So let's try it on and see how it looks like. Okay, this is so pretty. Okay, I am obsessed with this color. I'm obsessed with this color, you guys. This color combination actually I love. So Yes, this is definitely a keeper. I definitely want to buy the rest of their lip oils because it's super nice. It glides on like butter, and also it doesn't feel like super sticky. Okay, Elf is doing its thing with their makeup products, I'm telling you, and it's so affordable as well. I am almost quite done with my face. So the last thing I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to go in now with this Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. This is also by e.l.f. and it is a very fine mist, and it gives you like supposedly like a nice glowy look. I'm back now. Not that the setting spray set in, I love it. I do see like the dewiness that it's giving me. Super pretty. It's definitely not like so much. It's definitely a very pretty finish, and I feel like my makeup literally just completely blended together. I think it's such a great setting spray. Now I really do know about the hype about this e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. So again, these products you can find at Walmart, and you can also find them online as well. Definitely impressed me. So that is pretty much the makeup look. So now we're going to move on to the clothing part of this haul that I want to show you guys, because I didn't know that Jessica Simpson was one of those brands that now is at Walmart, and I'm actually all for it because I used to buy Jessica Simpson's shoes back then. I don't know if they were ever, if you guys ever used to shop her clothes. She used to have like a really nice good shoe collection, and I'm not sure if she still does, but I'm so happy that her brand is also at Walmart because I really did like her brand. So this one is one that I found. This is super pretty. It is almost like a crochet type of cardigan. Also wear this to the beach also as a cover up, and also if you're wearing like a tank top, you could definitely wear this as well. I'm going to show you guys in a minute how it will look like, but it definitely is such a pretty crochet cardigan that is, I think, a must have. It is a size small, so I am super happy about it. I'm literally obsessed with this cardigan. Okay, so this is the cardigan, and this is so cute. It has like this very beautiful detail, and it is more like a baggy type of cardigan, but it looks so cute, and I'm actually quite happy about it. So cute. And yeah, you can wear like a tank top underneath. I'm not sure if this actually comes in an extra small. I'm quite curious. I have to check the website, but I do like that look and the baggy look that it has here. It's very flowy. You can also wear this as a cover up as well. And yeah, super happy about it. So next thing that I did pick up is actually a dress, or floral dress. It has like these ruffling detail at the bottom and also here by the sleeves. So cute to wear for the summertime. And this one retails for $29, and I did get this in a size small, and it's called the Amelia Ruffle Short Dress Floral. So super cute. I like the print. Super pretty. It's not like too much, but it's so cute. The next items that I did pick up is actually some sport items that I was actually intrigued with. So this is actually from the brand Reebok. I picked up some shorts or some sport. So this one is in a size extra small. Has obviously shorts, and then it looks like a skirt from the front or all over. So you definitely can wear this if you are maybe like working out or running. The Reebok brand or the logo is actually black, so you don't even see the brand. I love when like brands don't really make it so obvious that it's Reebok, or you know. So I do like that it is not like completely out there, because sometimes, you know, if you want to wear like a cute little top with this, it's not like super out there like the logo. And then I picked up something to match that. So I did pick up two sports bra or sports shirts, tanks that I think could match very well with that skirt. And this one's also by Reebok. It's in a size extra small. This one again has a logo in the front, but it's barely visible. Good. This one does have the logo in the back, and it does also have the logo on the sides. Okay, I guess my dogs decided to join me. So this is the next one. This is the sports top and the skirt, again from Reebok. So that is pretty much the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep enjoying your summer, and I would really love to know what you guys recommend from Walmart. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Later.